Hi guys, if your emails are not receiving due to the message size is too large, sender is send the big attachment and you are not able to receive the email, you have to follow the very simple step to increase your email recipient email sizes, and then you will get the message received. Just follow these instructions. Go to your admin exchange center, okay, and go to your admin exchange center mailbox. Find the username like this one, and go to mailbox sizes here, and click manage message size restrictions, and just increase the if you are not able to receive the message size, like I'm increasing it to the 50 MB, so you have to type here the amount, and if you want to increase the message sent size, you can increase the site, and just make the changes and just save it. Thank you.